Alright, listen, guys. I just want to give you an update on really what my channel is all about, why I started it. Um, Anybody that knows me knows that I am going to research the crap out of something before I spend my hard-earned money on it. And with that, um, I kind of felt that it was a bit of a waste to um, not share that with the world, let alone after I buy the product. Then I test it out and I kind of see what is going on with it. If there's anything that maybe I missed or something that the reviews don't tell you, that's kind of where I'm at with that. Everybody's going skateboarding by. How about that? So that's one of the things that one of the reasons that I started the channel. Now, um, where is the channel going? I want to start doing a little bit more vlogging, a little bit more get to know me type videos as I kill myself on some rocks. A couple of tents on the beach. That's all right. So, everybody knows that I love my tech gadgets, and there's a mouse. Great. Everybody knows I love my tech gadgets, and my philosophy or my thoughts were along the lines of test these products out, see how I feel about them, see if there's anything hidden, marketing or something that maybe they forgot to tell us, and then I make the videos to bring them to you. I do love my tech gadgets, and I love my cameras. I love cameras. I have a problem with cameras. Everybody knows that. So, drones, cameras, whatever, they're awesome to buy, but then what do you do with them? So that's why I chose to make videos on YouTube with them. I'm not giving any products at all. Everything's stuff I bought with my own money. So I'm trying to give you the most honest review I can on these things, on whatever it is that I'm shooting. And if the product's not good, I'm going to tell you it's not good, right? So, there's absolutely no bias there. I've got no reason to say something's great because I'm paid to do it or anything like that. So that's one of the things that I'm um, very passionate about, and trying to explain things in layman's terms to everybody. Not everybody that's going to watch my videos is worried about exactly how many color pixels are in a resolution, or um, what the comparison is for say, like, I don't know, the nitty gritty technical details is really what I'm trying to go for. Obviously I will mention anything that is important, but I try to bring these videos to you to tell you in the everyday person's view what I found out about it. So, like the average Joe, and that's me. I am the average Joe. I'm a family man. I've got a job, a full-time job, and I work really hard. So this is how I choose to spend my downtime, right? I use my toys and play with them and kind of tell you about them, because I honestly believe that I would waste a lot of time and knowledge just by my own research on products, and not sharing it to you guys in a abbreviated short form 8-10 minute video or something like that. So anyways, if you're new to the channel, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. And I'd appreciate you to take a look around. We're gonna go places, and I'm just getting my feet wet in the YouTube universe.